Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Christmas takedown. I'm just taking down all the Christmas decor. This is just a short little video, but I want to make sure I am keeping my word on posting on Wednesdays, and so I just wanted to give you guys this video. It was actually supposed to go out last week, but a lot of things happened. But anyway, so I wanted to go ahead and do this before it got too late past the new year of showing the Christmas takedown. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It will be a little chatty just because it's only 5 minutes and I just have lots to say. But again, I just hope you enjoyed today's video. So I really need to go through all of our decor stuff and just kind of see the things that we're using, the things that we're not going to use. And I did go shopping the day after New Year's, and so I got a few things from Hobby Lobby because they were having their 90% off sale. So I got lots of stuff for my classroom, but I did pick up a few things for the house. And I told myself I wasn't going to pick up anything for the house until I move out into my own house, because right now our decor is just like a mixture of my stuff and their stuff. But I didn't want to, get more stuff to just add on to what we already have. So, but it's so funny because I said that and then I saw the things at Hobby Lobby and I'm like, well, they're only $2 or they're only $7 when it was regular price at $79.99. So anyways, I did go back on my word on that, but for the most part I didn't get too much stuff. I will for sure be using it next year, and if I can't use it at the house, I know I can use it in my classroom. But did you guys go shopping for or at the Hobby Lobby during the 90% off sale? Also, I hit up Walmart and got some stuff for 75% off for my classroom and some things for the house. It wasn't a whole lot of stuff, but I did get some stuff that I can use for Christmas gifts next year. But I just want to know, did you get to shop, or did you just kind of enjoyed your family, enjoyed your time off, and just enjoyed the holidays? And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby. So I didn't get a chance to actually just clean in this video because I was taking down the Christmas stuff and then we started doing other things and I just kind of got distracted, or not distracted, I got busy, and so I didn't get a chance to actually clean that day. But you will get to see a video of me cleaning the house, and but it won't be on this one. Like I said, it's just a short little video of just taking down the Christmas stuff. But I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for always supporting my channel. Thank you for leaving sweet messages. They truly mean so much to me. And I just want to let you guys know how much I appreciate you guys. So with that being said, if you are new, make sure you push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more of my videos. And I hope you guys had a happy new year. We start school tomorrow, so I start back work, and I can't wait to see my sweet friends tomorrow. I can truly say that I have missed them, so I can't wait to see them tomorrow. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.